Hi again, Mandy Hoffer, Norwex independent sales consultant. I just got out of the shower after washing my hair with the shampoo and conditioner from Norwex. And like I had said in my earlier video, had my hair up in the turban to get out all of the excess moisture. And I did my makeup while it was up in that hair turban and took it out and blew it dry. So I wanted to share how soft and healthy it is with the Norwex shampoo and conditioner. Really, it is by far blowing my mind. It is by far better than any natural, great ingredients, hair products that I've ever used before. So thought I would share because it is totally impressive and you should try it.